Will BNB ever hit $500? There have been many price predictions out there, and many of them are saying that the coin can 10 to 50x by the end of 2025. With the price currently sitting at 219.3. In this video, we'll take a look at what the coin is, and the best price prediction by the end of the year. Many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. But the coin's price will also be impacted by the crypto market's performance, and the adoption rate of and efficiency of the coin. For many people to take any coin into consideration, first we have to look at what the foundational principle is for the coin, and some of the catalysts and things that have to go right for the coin to reach those 10 to 50x numbers and how realistic those price targets can be. And we'll also take a look at a very realistic price prediction for 2025. An overwhelming number of analysts believe that the coin could go well beyond its previous all-time high considering mass adoption, an increase in retail investors, and a combination of whale accumulation. The coin has not gained much popularity, yet despite its huge potential, it's regarded as one of the best cryptocurrencies to hold. First, in the coming years, the performance of the crypto market will have an impact on the coin's price, considering the path of Bitcoin's price and the adoption rate following the implementation of network improvements. You also have to consider that we are now in a new era of cryptocurrency investments. Aside from the regular 3-year bear market to a 1-year bull market, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Considering all mass adoption takes place in Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see an estimated price of $500 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community. Subscribe and don't forget to give this video a like. BNB price live data. The live BNB cost today is $218.52 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $666,752,184. We update our BNB to USD cost continuously. BNB is up 1.13% as of now. The ongoing coin market cap positioning is number 5, with a live market cap of $35,678,651,047. It has a flowing stockpile of 163,276,975 BNB coins and a maximum supply of 165,116,760 BNB coins. Assuming you might want to know where to purchase BNB at the ongoing rate, the top cryptographic money trades for exchanging BNB stock are presently Binance, BitGet, BTCX, Bybit, and MEXC. You can find others recorded on our crypto trades page. What is BNB? Sent off in July 2017, Binance is the greatest digital money trade around the world in light of day-to-day exchanging volume. Binance means to bring cryptographic money trades to the front of monetary action universally. The thought behind Binance's name is to show this new worldview in worldwide money binary finance, or Binance. Beside being the biggest digital currency trade internationally, Binance has sent off an entire environment of functionalities for its clients. The Binance network incorporates the Binance Chain, Binance Smart Chain, Binance Academy, Trust Wallet, and research projects, which all utilize the powers of blockchain innovation to carry trendy money to the world. BNB is an indispensable piece of the fruitful working of a large number of the Binance sub-projects. Who are the founders of BNB? Changpeng Zhao is the pioneer and CEO of Binance. In 2001, Zhao joined Bloomberg as head of reference book Fates Improvement. He enjoyed 4 years with the organization and later joined Fusion Systems as an accomplice. Beginning around 2013, Changpeng Zhao has been effectively associated with blockchain innovation and digital currencies. He became head of improvement at blockchain, and in 2015 he established BGTech. In 2017, Zhao authoritatively sent off Binance, and he has been the CEO of the organization from that point forward. He is a prime supporter and head promoting official at Binance. She began her profession as a TV anchor and moderator on China Travel TV in 2012. Afterward, in 2014, he helped to establish OKCoin, which was the biggest fiat-to-crypto trade in China at that point. In 2017, she united with Changpeng Zhao, and together they made the biggest crypto trade worldwide, Binance. What makes BNB unique? Binance is an exceptional environment of decentralized, blockchain-based networks. The organization has become the main crypto trade in various nations, and their side associations are drawing in critical interest too. Perhaps of the greatest upper hand Binance has is its drive for advancement. While the organization began exclusively as a crypto trade back in 2017, today, Binance has spread its administrations among various circles. As indicated by the organization site, its central goal is to turn into the framework administration supplier for the whole blockchain biological system. Since sending off the BNB, the trade has likewise profited from expanded financial backer interest in the token. BNB went through a huge cost increment toward the start of 2021, which has placed it on the guide of big business financial backers. Measures like BP95 have updated the generally deflationary tokenomics to make BNB significantly more deflationary. Following the proposition, gas charges on Binance Smart Chain have become even lower, as the organization consumes a piece of the expenses to decentralize further. The proposition was designed according to Ethereum's well-known EIP 1559. This has assisted Binance with beating a few endeavors of conventions on BSC, for example, a $200 million exploit of Pancake Bunny and a few hacks of Cream Finance. Regardless of these hacks, clients return to Binance for its low expenses and the overflow of worthwhile image coins in its biological system. How many BNB are there in circulation? There is an initial maximum supply of 200 million BNB coins, of which 168,137,036 are currently in circulation as of September 2021. Binance conducts quarterly burning of the BNB supply, with the goal of reducing the total supply by half or 100 million BNB. On July 18, 2021, it conducted its 16th quarterly burning, which was worth $390 million in BNB price at the time of burning. However, that was not the most expensive burn. On April 16, 2021, the exchange burned nearly $600 million worth in BNB price at the time of burning. According to the Binance white paper, exactly half of the maximum supply of BNB tokens was allocated towards the initial coin offering, ICO, and public sale of the token. The ICO was held in July 2017, shortly after the exchange launched, and saw Binance raise $15 million in funding, with BNB price at 10 cents during the ICO. Taking BNB price today, that represents an almost 4,200x return on investment, ROI. Another 40% of the total supply, or around 80 million BNB coins, was distributed among the founding members and team. Finally, the remaining 10% of the maximum supply was split among angel investors. How is the BNB network secured? Initially, the BNB started as a traditional ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Later on, the company introduced its own blockchain, and the coins started being issued from the Binance blockchain, secured by the Tendermint Byzantine fault-tolerant (BFT) consensus mechanism. While ERC20 tokens rely on the proof-of-stake (POS) consensus, which allows them to be extremely scalable and allows for the creation of smart contracts. Unlike POS, the Binance blockchain does not support smart contract functionalities. In contrast, the Bitcoin blockchain is secured by the proof-of-work (POW) consensus, which is far more limited and consumes large amounts of electrical and computing power. Where can you buy BNB? As the dedicated utility token of the Binance exchange, the most straightforward way to acquire BNB coins would be to purchase them through Binance. The original exchange supports the largest variety of trading pairs with BNB, and it also has the best trading rates for the coin. Since the launch of Play to Earn games, interest in the BNB to PHP price has increased substantially. If you are looking for alternative exchanges where you can purchase BNB, FTX is a good choice. Keep in mind that investing in cryptocurrency can be risky, just like investing in any other type of asset. To check BNB price live in the fiat currency of your choice, you can use